Assalamualaikum, welcome my YouTube channel. Let's learn about second part of speech, pronoun. Pronoun is actually Latin word which is taken from pronomen. Pronoun is a Latin word which is taken from pronomen. Pro means name or substitute. Pro means name or substitute. Nomen means noun. So its definition is like this way. Pronoun, it is a word that replaces a noun or another noun. Or the second definition is pronoun is used as substitute for a noun. Pronouns are used to make sentences less repetitive, means again and again the usage of nouns. Common pronouns are I, me, she, he, it, they, them, etc. Personal pronoun is a kind of pronoun. Definition: they are used as a substitute for a person's name. Means the replacement of person's name. There are two kinds of personal pronoun. Number one, subjective pronouns. Number second is objective pronouns. Subjective pronouns are those pronouns which play role as subject, are those pronouns which act as subject, or they act as a subject of sentence. For example, I, we, you, he, she, etc. Number one, they went to the store. They is here subjective pronoun because it plays role as subject and it is pronoun, so it is known as subjective pronoun. He wants to get a better job. He is here pronoun. It plays as a role or it designates or indicates subject is a pronoun, so it is known as subjective pronoun. You can help others. You is here is a subject and subject, but it is pronoun also, so it acted as subjective pronoun. The second kind of personal pronoun is objective pronouns. Objective pronouns are those pronouns which act as object or objects, or objective pronouns are such a pronouns which plays role as object. For example, me, you, her, him, us, etc. Number one, go talk to her. Her is here objective pronoun because it is used as object and it is pronoun, so it is known as objective pronoun. Please, number two sentence, please don't sit beside me. Me is here is a objective use, is object of the sentence used, and it is pronoun, so it is known as objective pronoun. I know him. Him is a object of sentence and it represents pronoun, so it is known as objective pronoun. Possessive pronouns kind of pronoun. They are dependent possessive pronouns as well as independent possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns definition: they show ownership or possession of a noun. For example, my, your, his, her. There are two kinds of possessive pronouns. Number one, dependent possessive pronouns. Dependent possessive pronouns do not stand alone. Means certainly they take the help of noun. For example, is that my book? Now here my can't stand alone. It takes noun. So it is a dependent possessive pronoun. My is dependent possessive pronoun and it takes the support of noun. Here's a noun is book. Number